Now I will show you how to do parking. So again, it's a little bit far from the live, but we will do that. So show that you intend to park. Show me. Show that you intend to park. Come close to the car. Again, 2-3 feet, and your mirror should be a little bit before the mirror of the car. Don't fail to observe. Watch around. The car coming, I'm not move. I only showing that I do parking. Now, move one complete turn right. That's what I do. Gear on the going back. And move back, watching back, move back, watching back, until your car standing on 45 degree to the curb, 45 degree. Again, another point,